this video, you will be shocked by the performance that I get from this $375 computer and also the profit I make selling it. Hope you enjoy. And that is the build complete. This was a very simple and easy build, especially the case made it super easy. Now we just have to test some games, list it up for sale, and see if it gets sold.
24 hours later.
Wow. So this PC sold within 1 day. That is insane. Makes you think, did I price it too low? But honestly, I didn't. I think it's because it looks pretty good. So yeah, now it's time to get it ready to ship out. In the car once again. Got my baby buckled in the seat. Let's go. So yeah, overall, a pretty clean, easy experience. The PC didn't take me very long to build. I already mentioned that. Jawa made it very easy to list up, and no, this isn't sponsored. I hope to get sponsored by them one day. Anyways, I recommend selling on Jawa, and if you want to make some money selling PCs or you have a PC, list it up on there. Also, they have other things like CPUs, graphics cards, anything related to gaming, you can find it on Jawa. Overall, I've had a pretty good experience so far, and this is recorded in the future. I just want to let you know. Also, I may have a few more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. If there's anything I missed, I might leave in the description or in another video. Subscribe.